channel. Today I got another video for you guys, and I'm with Jacob Ardoti. I don't know if you guys know who he is, but me and him are some good friends. He's a YouTuber in my local area, and I just drove his Mustang, which is absolutely insane.
Yeah. Different for you.
It's different, mainly because like I never driven a V8 nor a V8 manual, and it's a Mustang.
Yeah. It's not different than a V6.
Yeah, but basically, if you want to see me driving the Mustang, you gotta head over to his channel. To be honest, I really enjoyed the car. It's completely different than what I expected. Still not a big Mustang, but it is a fun car. I'm not gonna lie on that part. So I'm gonna go ahead and let Jacob Ardoti drive my car. So this is gonna be super weird because he's going from a car with right here with a lot of power to a car with probably almost half.
Yeah. And automatic.
Yeah, and automatic. So let's see how this goes. I just want to get his reaction to how, you know, how do you kind of...
Just underpowered and not Mustang it is.
Yeah, so we'll get that for you guys. So basically, he's going to be driving my car. He's never, I don't know, have you ever driven my car? Or?
No, I've never driven this car. Now, I used to have a...
Yeah, don't worry about that.
I used to actually have an E90 328 at LCI for like 2 weeks as a daily. I was actually just doing a consignment sale for it. So I'm like used to E90s, and I had an LCI there for 2 weeks. So it was pretty nice.
Right on. So he's driven this car before, but basically he's been driving a lot of his Mustang recently. So I want to see how he takes a car with so much less power.
I just hopped out of my Mustang. We're gonna see how it is hopping into this bad boy. Yeah. This is the Blurple wrapped one. So.
The Blurple wrap.
So famous, bro. You just call it the Blurple car.
I never even heard of that. We'll go with the Blurple, I guess.
It's Blurple. It's blue and purple.
If you want it.
Takes a lot more throttle to get going.
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of feel like a little bit heavier. Yeah.
It's a little underpowered, is what that is. It's not
heavy.
It's underpowered.
Yeah,
because he hopped into my car, which you guys could probably see on my channel. But you know, ooh, heavy steering wheel. That's BMW. I remember
that's something I love, honestly.
Yeah,
the heavy steering.
Wheel. Mine's electric steering, so you felt how light it was.
Yeah, it was pretty light. Yeah, and that's why all the crashes happen, right?
No, it's because people just like to power shift 1-2 and then hold on the gas and overcorrect it.
I feel
because it takes very minute changes. Because I've gotten it squirrely. It doesn't take much to fix it.
Does it go enough?
As a daily, I would drive it.
Okay, that works.
Only sports
Then
car.
again, he drives a Focus as a daily, so this kind of hurts.
Yeah, I have a Focus ST though. First gen ST.
That hurts though. You're like, I would drive it as my daily, but then again,
yeah, it's a comfy daily. That's what
exactly
I see. It's not a sports car.
Yeah, and that's another reason why I got this car.
All right, here's something I do have to say. Shit. Here's something I do have to say about his transmission is that when it's in sport mode, this automatic does react like a manual. It doesn't just automatically upshift you. It'll, like when I gunned it ramped all the way to the end until like it went to the next gear. Yeah. So I do appreciate that. That's nice. But as far as like the luxury and stuff, in 2006, you said the 2006?
Yeah, 2006.
I understand what he's talking about because this does poop on a Mustang. Yeah. For the same year.
Poops on a lot of cars at the same year, to be honest.
But I mean, it is nice. Like it's comfy. But the thing is that it's just we're comparing. This is kind of a fun comparison, but we're comparing A and B. You know, it's not. It's like apples to oranges. Like a luxury sedan versus a muscle car. Yeah. And you have to remember, a muscle car is not supposed to be refined. It's rough around the edges. It's supposed to shake and idle. It's supposed to be loud, obnoxious. Because in that era, in the 60s and 70s, that's what muscle cars were, and that's how they became popular. Because the Mustang came out in 64 and a half. So, you know, back then, everyone has like, it was like greasers, and like, everyone had slick back hair and drove hot rods. You know, people didn't really care about, you know, how comfortable is it and does it have power, everything. Great. So that's kind of where the comparison happens. But I can't lie, like this is, the steering feels tight. I like how you have the thicker steering wheel.
Yeah, the M wheel. That was one of my favorite things about it.
No, I can't even lie. Like that is nice.
Yeah.
Because that's what I want to do on my Mustang. It was a little thin, I think.
Yeah, you're gonna wrap it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna rewrap it.
It's gonna add a little bit of thickness to it.
Yeah, and I'm gonna add Alcantara hopefully. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, but yeah, it holds up pretty good. Suspension, so it's smooth.
Yeah, that was a big thing for me. I wanted to, because you guys know this is my daily, so
I modified my daily. The focus was on coilovers and wheels and tires.
He's different. I mean,
it rubbed everywhere.
You guys know me that I even went with 18-inch rims. I didn't really want anything, and the tires were still thick. It's not like super thin. I didn't want to sacrifice the ride quality. That's like a big thing for me, and that's why when I got the 350 as my second car, it's a fun car, but it does not drive anything like this. That thing just eats every bump, and Yeah, and it's a manual, so I mean, it's not as, you know, well, you shifted really smooth in a manual. For me, I don't know what I'm doing.
You just gotta get used to it, because each car, I mean, I drive a different, like, for work, I work at a dealership, so I drive a bunch of different cars. Yeah. But you just get used to it, you know, because it's my car, I'm used to how I drive, but then you gotta get used to, like, okay, these are not Brimbos coming to a stop. It's got a lot of weight and some tiny calipers. But as I was saying,
to be honest, it does have Brembo brake pads.
Okay, well, that doesn't do too much.
Not that matters, but yeah, okay, continue.
But I work at a dealership, so I'm used to like a lot of different cars. You just got to get used to, you know, learning. See, like I like this. The transmission stays.
Yeah, it won't shift for you.
And I love it as a daily.
Yeah.
You know, so I think this is a good daily, but I wouldn't say it's your performance car.
No, yeah, no, I agree with that.
I mean, you got a sunroof. I wish Mustangs had that. We only get a glass roof, which is extremely rare of an option. This whole thing.
Actually, yeah, I've never actually seen that on a Mustang.
My friend's GT500 has a glass roof. Oscar, he's the blue and white one. He's got a super rare GT500 because that's a sports car, or the sport package with a glass roof. They have good visibility. In the Mustang, you can't see.
Yeah, that's like the big thing. When I was in the Mustang, I felt like the dash was like super high up. The door panels were super high up. I can't even rest my arm, I don't think. Yeah. But that's the thing. You kind of feel like you're in a cockpit. You're gonna like it's kind of like a race car. It just feels.
It is. I consider it like my race car.
Yeah,
I don't race it, but
yeah, but you feel like a teenager that you want to get tickets. I mean, it's a fun car. I'm not gonna lie. But
and the other thing too is like, here's a big thing in the car community. We're just gonna talk about this right now because
we might as well address it.
There's not too much here. In the car community, there's a lot of people that are like, oh, BMW is all the way. Everything else sucks. And there's a lot of people that are like, oh, American muscle, everything else sucks. Jap crap, like Euro crap.
Every car serves its purpose.
Yeah, you drive a Subaru, you get a rumble that's unique to Subaru. You get, you know, the turbo, if it has a blow-off valve, you get that. You know, it's like you drive a European car that's a lot more refined, that's smooth. They definitely handle just a little bit differently, they're heavier. Yeah. And then you get into an American car, it's super rough around the edges. It's all about the engine. You know, they put zero money into interiors. They only put it into engine and transmission.
I agree,
you know?
To be honest, yeah.
So it's like, it's just where do you find your priorities? And that's what's amazing. They're like, it's always fun when people hear, oh, you're into cars. Well, if you could have one car, like what's your favorite car?
It's kind of hard. That's a very,
it's like, well, I want to, you know, if I'm going to go haul a race car, I'm going to need an F-250. That might be my favorite car. Yeah. Because now I can just drive wherever.
Well, that's the thing, yeah. If you say, what's your favorite car? Well, what's my favorite car? What category? Is it an SUV, a truck, a sports car, a daily?
Drag race?
Yeah, like what is he doing exactly?
Laguna Seca? Or, like, or am I going to Friday dinners in my sports car or supercar? If I want a daily driver, I'm going to say a Prius is my favorite car because 70 miles per gallon sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Well, I mean, still though, it's a Prius. It has literally like, even like this is a daily compared to well, I mean, yeah, I get you with the whole gas mileage.
Yeah, so it's like, what do you want to do? Do you want to literally only spend $10 a week in gas?
Dude, that sounds so good.
Oh, see, now it's gonna be a Prius channel.
You might see a fart can Prius on my channel in a little bit.
And it is comfortable. Like even after the accident, it's driving straight, drives smooth. There's no real big issues here.
Yeah, I'm really blessed that the accident was most like 100% cosmetic, and you know the build is, you know, it's coming together. I'm really happy how it turned out.
I just need to see you in something faster.
I agree. So yeah, you guys know that I'm driving different cars on the channel. You guys have seen this content as well with Jacob Ardoti. I'm trying new things. I want to try all kinds of different cars. I'm gonna be getting a new build on the channel. I don't know exactly what yet. M3, 435, people everywhere. Okay, I don't really know yet. M3. Okay, maybe
it has to be an M.
It's a V8. A lot of problems, but we'll see. You guys, because we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be driving all kinds of different cars on this channel, and if you guys did want to see me learn how to first time driving a manual V8 Mustang, make sure you guys check out his channel. It's actually a very fun car, I'm not gonna lie. So Jacob Ardoti just drove my car. You know, I actually like the compliments I got on it, so you know, I'm happy with that. I actually want to show you guys his car because it is going to be on his channel. You know, me driving in his car. So I'm going to show you guys his car. And if you guys, you know, like the car and you want to see me drive it, make sure you head down to his channel. So I'm gonna have a little bit of cinematography of his car. Very, very, very nice Mustang. And then yeah, just tell me if you guys like it down in the comments or not. So guys, if you enjoy that cinematic and you guys cannot wait to see more videos with me and Jacob Ardoti, make sure you guys smash the like button. Remember to stay humble, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Shawty hit my line and she's tryna get up on me. I tell her la habibti, that's too hot on wallahi. Where they are, I was raised with Somalis. Everyone got a friend named Abdi. I'm from OT 613.